So you've had a really interesting experience as a student. You were involved in founding a company. So tell me a little bit. Tell me about the challenge that you guys entered, and how that whole thing got from idea to founding a company.
Yeah, of course. So my business partner and I, Megan, we were in a class in the Science and Technologies Honors Program with Dr. Barry, who's a biomedical engineering professor. And the idea behind it is you go into the hospital here at UAB. So of course we have great access to the hospitals, and get to talk to the doctors about the problems that they face on a daily basis. And in doing so, we discovered that there was a really big issue with pressure injuries in the hospital, especially the technology that was currently out there to prevent them. You know, the nurses and the patients, it really wasn't helping either of them as well as it could. So through that class, we ended up developing a product. It's called the Malleable Mattress, or Malamat for short. And we kind of finished in that class and we're like, oh, that was a fun experience. And then some of our mentors at UAB were like, what are you doing? You can't stop. You know, this is a great idea. You should keep going. And okay, if you say so. No, neither Megan nor I are business students. We're both actually BMEs in the engineering department. The business school took us under their wing and was able to mentor us in entrepreneurship. And that led to us being entered into a contest called Alabama Upstarts. The best way I can describe it is, I guess, Shark Tank for Alabama. And we competed in their university challenge on behalf of UAB and presented our company and pitched it. And we happened to win over our peers from the University of Alabama, Auburn, and Birmingham Southern.
All right, and then how do you get from that to starting the company? What did you have to do next?
Well, thankfully, starting a company is pretty simple. We just decided, you know, we actually need an entity that we can use to raise money and capital to actually build the product and prototype it. And to do that, of course, you have to have a corporation. So we incorporated in the state of Alabama, Newmanbot Systems LLC last September. And since then, we've just been working on getting our prototype and our minimum viable product, our business plan all ironed out, as well as identifying potential partners that we can look for capital investment.